Meet Jenny. She works for a furniture manufacturer company as a finance assistant. Jenny wants to share her story with you. Jenny's company had a policy for performing data integrity checks on a weekly basis to safeguard the integrity of accounting data. Yet, the IT and accounts teams could not run this critical process regularly because their backup systems lacked features for automating it, and it was entirely dependent on human discretion. Jenny decided to find a product which could solve their problem for good. Eventually, Jenny managed to find exactly what she was looking for. She found a product named SYSTRONICS BACCPAC for Sage 300. SYSTRONICS BACCPAC for Sage 300 backups your accounting data unattended and independent of your IT team based on backup schedules you define according to your needs. So, Jenny's company decided acquiring SYSTRONICS BACCPAC to take backups independently and unattended, in addition to backups taken by the IT team with email alerts sent by BACCPAC to both IT and accounts teams. Excluding the need for human intervention made the process error-free and transparent for everyone involved. SYSTRONICS BACCPAC runs Sage 300 backups and data integrity in one go with no help from IT. For more information, visit www.systronics.com.